Hey guys, so before you see the clips of day 9, I just want to let you know my recording software messed up because my resolution changed and it only got like the top left corner. Like, I don't know how that happened, but it did. It like changed it on me without me knowing and didn't even tell me until I checked the settings and realized it changed. Because when I tried to play the video, it looked funny, and I was like, what? So you could see part of it, but you may not be able to see everything, unfortunately. But in this clip, pretty much we were just trying to fix someone's computer. We're trying to help them because they were having some issues. Hopefully you can see their screen okay. I've not really edited the video yet, but I just looked through and it looked kind of weird, so... I apologize for that. When you guys see day 10, which I'm actually recording this little clip on day 10, you guys will notice that it will be fixed. So, if I have a day 10, which I most likely will have a day 10, because I need to start recording more, let me know what you guys want to see also. I want to start recording some really interesting stuff, but it's just, I need ideas. So, whatever you guys want to see, leave them in the comments, but I'm sorry about what happened with the video, so... nothing really much I can do about it. I mean, you could still hear it at least, and still see part of it, but it kind of got messed up. Anyways, I'm going to stop this so you guys can see the clip. Like, once again, I'm sorry, did that, and, here's the clip. Guys, this is Julia. We are back, and Omega Shell is having a major problem. Would you like to talk about it?
Yeah, so, my hard drive isn't in my laptop right now, and it's not plugged. The speaker's not plugged in because it'll beep like heck, very loud. So I was RDing a partition because when I got my new motherboard, I created that partition because when I booted it up to the original, it didn't really work, and then it worked like 2 power-ups later, and here we are today after getting my other BIOS. I killed it, and this. And let me put this over here.
This just proves, guys, that Dells are the worst.
No, okay.
And this is my original motherboard.
You've had like 2 motherboards.
Yeah, because the first motherboard he killed the BIOS on.
By accident.
How'd you do that again?
It was like this, but it was like set date and time, and it was like at 2011, and I did not like I didn't like hit enter or that, and
it corrupted.
Beep. 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 Looked it
why
up.
you don't buy Dell.
Corrupted BIOS.
RIP.
And this one is having a beep issue of 7, and looked it up. Processor failed.
Thank you, Dell. Very helpful.
But show
very
the error.
helpful, Dell.
Show the error.
What?
Show the error on the screen.
Yeah, at least you could flash with the HP.
It says flash update failed, but he didn't even try to update the BIOS, and the beep code is processor failure. If anyone knows what this means, his computer wasn't an Inspiron 5555, but the one is for 5455.
Yes, that's his motherboard. Because, guys, I have a 5558,
and it's trash.
Hold on. But when I updated my BIOS from the Dell Update Assistant, or more like the Support Assist, it did not whatsoever, and it's on version 8.15.
Omega, it doesn't go to the boot menu at all, does it, when you try?
You need an HP.
It goes to there, but then when I turn it off, and then go here,
this video
it just straight goes to here.
Goes to where? Oh, that.
Go to eggs. Okay, just kind of go over a menu. Next.
Ew, Dell.
Hold on, let me read. I read something.
UEFI, turn that crap off. God.
Okay, go
What
over
if-
one.
Wait. Oh. I can't even change it. I can't even change it from UEFI. I wonder.
Thanks. Yeah, Dell, thank you for that. Very.
Good.
Oh, now we get.
What would happen if this just... Oh, I think I already tried it. I think I already tried this and it still didn't work.
If it was
Nope.
if it was a processor failure, though, it wouldn't even get there.
It wouldn't post at all.
Yeah, Dell, complete bullcrap.
So that error code is fake. We tried using
Like,
the flash drive to flash the BIOS, like, after it started doing this, and it won't even do anything. Like, it won't recognize it or anything.
Yeah, so basically, Omega Shell, you need to stop what you were doing to the computer like that.
He didn't do anything. It just did it itself.
Seriously?
Stop getting computers. Stop getting that.
My screen share just turned off.
Stop getting that specific computer. Get a new one.
Like, it has L1 and L2 cache, and I looked it up and said the CPU cache was, like, dead.
How can it die?
The fan is running, but that's just cause.
Is there a diagnostics thing you can run?
He can't
There
access the boot
was.
menu to get to it.
There was on the other motherboard, and not here.
If you can't get to the boot menu, you can't access it.
Because I remember I saw one of, maybe...
By the way, your screen share won't load.
Okay.
Just go on Amazon and get a new laptop because that laptop is giving you so many
He
problems.
can't afford it.
Okay, can you see it?
Take it to recycle.
How many times did I say, Daniel, he can't afford?
So you guys can see this?
No.
Yeah. Sorry.
Now I can.
So, this... maybe...
It's frozen.
Hold on, let me disconnect and reconnect.
Alright. This is weird.
I would never touch a Dell in my life.
Hello. There.
Okay.
That's better. What is that? How'd you do that?
I just
Okay.
try getting a new.
Just maybe.
Wait, what?
What was the file name?
Wait, how did you get there? Oh.
Reboot.
I don't know if this will work.
You're trying to boot off of it. Nope. Make it boot option 1.
It's not even attempting to boot. That's the problem.
Now try. He told it to boot automatically off that BIOS file.
Damn it,
No.
Dell. They're very helpful.
If anyone knows what's going on with this computer, please let us know in the comments.
What? Hold on. What version of your BIOS it is? What version of the BIOS it is? A02.
It says it's a 5455, but it's actually a 5555, but the motherboard is a 5455. Maybe that's why.
And this service tag is a lie because, like, this motherboard, it had like a section somewhere. I think it was in here. It was like service tag, so I entered it, and that's why it shows that.
Okay, hold on. Just, can you clear the image? Okay, let me see here. Back one. Alright, I've got another thing here that we could try.
Try the one that I sent through Discord. Try AO6. See if that works.
This is why I don't
So
like
so basically just and then go to the other computer.
Yeah, try that because
Does he have to rename it?
try renaming the file if you can. Because look what I found. So you try that one. That's the system BIOS. Hold on.
Ew. I would never trust that. No, just saying.
So I don't know if this will be fixed or not by the time this video goes up. I'm combining days 8 and 9.
Okay, I'm on the other computer.
There's a clip I'm gonna add earlier in this, and how about we say it right now, and then I'll just put it before this clip. We need to talk about what happened with Jack for the video.
Guys, I just found something that Omega, plug that flash drive back in and hold escape while powering it on.
The same USB?
Yeah.
Or spank the laptop. Spank
Right.
it
But,
hard.
but I just got back to this computer.
Okay. Just try it. You don't have to change to your phone, but just try it and see if it does work.
So, like, I plugged the flash drive in, have battery and power plugged in. So, right?
Yeah, and then hold escape and press the power button.
Yeah, hope this works.
See if that works.
Hold
Still
escape
really
and power
doesn't give you
button.
a lot of options.
Okay, so plug in, hold escape, and that's it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So
Hold escape and the power button.
okay, so I'm not gonna bring my phone. So going over it one last time. You plug in USB, escape, and power button.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Let me mute my mic.
Alright, so do you guys want to talk about the Jack thing?
Jack decided that he was going to be annoying in the call, and because of that, most likely the video that was recorded will not be uploaded. And we ended up leaving that group and kicking him out the challenge because he's been annoying the past days he's been in the challenge.
I get some of it, but not all of it.
Yeah, so it's like now he's like flipping
Nope.
out and stuff.
I left a little clip in so you guys could just hear how annoying he was in the video. You guys have already seen that clip by the time you're watching this. So,
Yeah.
Titsha is taking his place.
Okay, now what?
Anyways, we're just trying to fix Omega Shell's motherboard. Worst case scenario, he can just put his old one back in, contact the person again, and say what happened. This time, maybe get a 5555 motherboard, not a 5455.
Well, that's what they gave me, and it wasn't from Dell. It was like an eBay person.
They didn't give you the right motherboard. They gave you one for another computer, and that might have been why this happened.
Yeah, only because some people are being stupid and they don't know how to read.
Well, I mean, it still works.
Kids, this is why you stay in school.
But it's not meant for your computer. So maybe
It's-
you should...
Yeah, I know, but the motherboard completely fits. So
Kids, this
just
is why you
because-
stay
okay,
in school.
look. Just because the motherboard fits doesn't mean anything, I think.
All I'm gonna say is maybe if you can't get it fixed, put your old one back and contact them, let them know what happened.
that's what I'm gonna do. But it's like, ugh.
I
So
feel
what?
your pain.
Do I? This isn't gonna work. This USB is not gonna work.
I think you have to don't try to open up the BIOS on
I'm
the
not.
computer. Try and see if that exe I gave you work.
It's probably not. So what? I just like rename it to the same exact thing.
No, that's just rename it to that.
Like what this is.
Yeah. Rename it to that and see if that'll work.
I don't think different version would work, but it's worth a try.
Like that.
Yeah. I just found that because that's an AO6. He has AO2.
Maybe you have to update to that BIOS first before updating the new one.
It seems like this computer is just problematic for a lot of people.
Dude, I never even touched my BIOS.
Well, guys, I'm just going to stop the video for now. I'll give you guys some updates, but if you guys have anything you want to say about this BIOS issue, let us know. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we think we know what happened. Omega, shall I explain what you did?
So I don't have the partition anymore because I just deleted it and I'm on a different computer. So what happened was, you guys see the system firmware? I went here, not going to do that because, you know, don't want to mess anything up. But that I RD'd, I signed out, signed back in, or no, I uninstalled that, then signed out, signed back in, opened this, then I forgot it was like a refresh, and then that showed up, and then I think I hit update.
Did
and
it update?
No, it just said check Windows Update, and then I restarted, and that happened.
So I think when he uninstalled system firmware, it uninstalled the BIOS. That is what we were thinking, because he was trying to destroy that install, so he went in Device Manager and uninstalled that system firmware thing. And I really think when he did that, because he said on the next reboot after that is when that error came up. So I'm starting to think that Windows uninstalled the BIOS.
But then why is the motherboard saying it's a CPU issue?
But in the BIOS it says of flashing failed. So we suspect that it's when he uninstalled that because it happened after that. So guys, do not uninstall your system firmware in Device Manager or your BIOS will corrupt.
I mean, at least it boots. That's one thing.
Kinda. It gives an error and it just goes in the BIOS every single time and you can't boot to the hard drive or anything. So I think when he uninstalled that, though, Windows somehow deleted it. But you'd think, how in the world could Windows do that? How could it uninstall the firmware? Is that even possible? Like, my question is, how is that even possible?
Apparently it is.
Microsoft screwed up Windows.
So, don't uninstall this, guys. Do not uninstall that. You have been warned. Your BIOS will corrupt. So I think Omega Shell done goofed by doing that. And it corrupted
I mean,
it.
I could Google it.
I'm gonna see if I have it.
Is this why you don't buy installers for it?
Everyone
mine
has
too.
it.
It wasn't on RS4. What was
I'm
it
checking
under?
mine right now.
What category was it under again?
Firmware. Yeah, I have it.
I do not have that. I don't even have that.
I've never owned a Dell in my life.
I don't even have firmware. I'm guessing, though, when he uninstalled that firmware, because firmware technically is the BIOS, I think that's what caused the issue. I know
on the Mac OS that the firmware is the like the BIOS.
Because it was after he uninstalled that on the next reboot that BIOS update failed message came up. I think it partially removed the firmware, which corrupted the BIOS. It didn't completely remove it, but it removed enough to make it crash.
Guys, I just Googled what it is.
What is it?
Let's see, I came across a Dell form. It was the first thing. Let's read what someone says. Let's read what a moderator on Dell forum said. So the person asked in Device Manager, there's a new section called System Firmware. There's an update going from blah blah version of Windows. Who cares? Someone know if I should update? What exactly is the system firmware? Is it a kind of BIOS? Blah blah. Okay, here we are. If you have any issues with devices, you may want to update the firmware. If not, it is up to you whether you want to update or not. There are two types of firmware that can be serviced via Windows system firmware and device firmware. System firmware is responsible for providing critical boot and runtime services to a system as a whole, and device firmware is associated with a particular device integrated in a system. Firmware update is a software update that can be used to update the firmware in those devices. For example, a user could download a firmware update for a network router that enhances its capabilities or fixes an issue. Firmware updates are available from hardware manufacturers. Firmware is associated with a particular device integrated in a system.
So it means it's the BIOS.
Give or take, part of it.
So it could be. So when he uninstalled the firmware, it pretty much uninstalled something on the motherboard, which you think is preventing it from booting?
Maybe.
That's probably the only thing I can think of.
Because it happened after that, on the next reboot. Because he said he RD'd it, he logged out and logged back in, he went in Device Manager, he uninstalled the firmware. And
No, it was I uninstalled it, then logged out, logged back in, and then it was there. Then I hit update, then it said check Windows Update, and bam.
And then he rebooted and error. So something tells me it was something to do with uninstalling that firmware. So guys, do not try that at home.
No,
We think we found the
not at all.
cause. So he's gonna have to put his old motherboard back in, contact them, let them know that it's like messed up, see if we can
No,
get
it's probably Dell's fault.
See, because it should not let you uninstall the firmware. If it's gonna brick the system, why does it let you do it?
Well,
Like,
if you
what?
RD it bricks your system.
But you can reinstall, but uninstalling the firmware made it legit unbootable, no matter, like, not even in any partition. Like,
Should I see if I have that? Should I boot back into RS4 and see if I have
I mean, even this computer has that.
No, you have to stay on Ubuntu. Stay on Ubuntu. It's best to stay on Ubuntu.
Yeah, Ubuntu Bay.
but
You
pretty
don't
much,
have to move that partition just to get access to the files.
so
Just
pretty much,
access that partition.
we found the issue. It was uninstalling the system firmware, uninstalled something on the motherboard, which is causing it to fail. So he's gonna have to put the old one back in. The motherboard's
Well,
pretty much fried.
That's great.
But at least
Wait,
the
didn't he
BIOS-
say his other motherboard had a BIOS issue?
No.
Oh, I thought he did.
He said his other motherboard has a BIOS, like, recovery thing, but this new one doesn't.
My original has like the Dell diagnostics, and
Okay.
this one does not.
So, don't uninstall in Device Manager, Device Firmware, or this will occur.
They only applies to
Which
Dell?
I don't even know why they let you do that. I think it's really stupid. He was just trying to destroy that install. He wasn't trying to destroy the motherboard's BIOS.
We're just trying to have fun.
How to destroy your BIOS 101. Go to Device Manager and uninstall device firmware. Reboot.
Yep.
Done.
You know, I should try that on a computer that I'm going to get rid of.
You should. See if it does it. Do it.
What about Julia? What about trying it on that Acer netbook?
Well, the thing is, it's not UEFI, so it could be different. I think it's only
Yeah.
on newer devices that have that option. Because
Yeah,
my
That's why
computer,
Legacy
well, my
better.
computer's UEFI, but it doesn't even have that option because there is no firmware. But the newer computers have firmwares.
Wait, did you enable secure boot?
I don't know.
No, mine was disabled, but I was in Legacy.
Wait, so which OS did you uninstall system firmware in?
The one I installed after I got the new motherboard.
So RS4?
It was another RS4 partition, yes.
Did it activate?
I guess so.
Okay. Well,
Must have
guys,
figured.
we found the problem. He's just gonna have to replace his motherboard and get another one. So now we know, don't uninstall that, even if you're trying to destroy Windows, because it will destroy the BIOS.
Yeah.
And
Don't
buy
try
a
that,
Dell.
guys. Don't try that. We found the problem, though, so I wanted to record about this. I think this will be all the footage that I have for day 9, because this is day 8 and 9, which, Daniel, fix your status. It's day 9, not day 8.
Oh, okay, sorry.
No,
Daniel's a day behind.
I'm gonna try to
Right.
right plague status.
You know what computer I got?
Yeah, send that to TeamViewer.
Should I say it like that exactly?
Yes, I think it's perfect.
There's my playing status.
There, fix it.
Seriously,
Killed
I've gone
motherboard.
through this.
We're gonna have to use the terminal.
Systems.
I'm gonna
The
take a
no-
screenshot on the other server. I'm gonna say
You know what I'll do?
rip Omega Shell.
No.
You know what I'll do?
What?
Sudo rm-rs. I'm not gonna do it.
I'm gonna take a
Okay.
screenshot and say
Take a screenshot of my new one.
I took a screenshot of the old one. I'll do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't
I'm going to
believe
try to run terminal as root
I
again.
killed 2 boards. That's
Well,
Sad.
I mean, technically, yeah, you did kill the one. But how do you know you killed the other one? Did you
He
do the same
uninstalled
on it?
device firmware.
On
no
both?
that's a subset.
on this one, yes, but on the first new one I got, it was like it said set your date and time, and I accidentally unplugged the power, plugged it back in, just heard one single beep. Looked it up, and it BIOS corrupted.
Yeah, thanks for the help.
No screen. No, the screen wasn't even on.
Oh, good. Daniel fixed his thing. But pretty much we found the issue. I know there's not been as much footage. Guys, let me know what I should do for these next days. Maybe for day 10 I could do something kind of exciting. But we found an issue and we learned something new. Do not uninstall the firmware.
Yep.
It will uninstall part
Thanks
of the
for the
BIOS.
idea, Julia.
So it
People
was
in the
not
comments, don't do that.
It was not a CPU problem. It was the BIOS the entire time.
Dell,
can
thanks for the
hang
lies. Thanks for the lies, Dell.
How to kill your computer 101. Device manager. System firmware. Uninstall.
Wait.
Reboot.
I thought it was
Congrat-
device firmware.
Huh?
I thought it was
Wait,
device
Daniel.
firmware.
It
Daniel.
says system firmware. Wait, hold on. Let me check.
I
Wait a minute.
think
Come on.
I'm pretty sure that's the problem with
Well,
the other computer.
Yes, it's system
It's
firmware.
BIOS
System
has
or
gotten
device firmware,
deleted.
same thing. Do not uninstall it. You've been warned.
I think somebody went on and uninstalled
If you told us
it
that a
without me
long
knowing.
time ago, it would have helped.
It probably would have.
So Omega Shell just gonna have to put his old motherboard back in. Anyways, thanks for watching. But I guess the only way to learn is to make mistakes. So
You
Yeah.
learn from your mistakes. That's the thing.
yeah,
What
guys,
if I
This is
am
the
a
second
mistake?
time.
What
I've
if I
learned
am
the
a
second
mistake?
time.
this is the second
Wait.
time he's killed a motherboard.
Dude, Fox, what if you are a
Well,
mistake?
more of a BIOS, not more of a motherboard.
But
Dude,
the
Fox,
BIOS
what
on the
if you-
motherboard.
Dude, Fox, what if you are a mistake? Can you
I
learn
hate
from
my
yourself?
Daniel, I thought you were.
What?
No,
I think-
you.
I think the server's BIOS
Daniel,
got
again,
wiped.
you have it wrong. You are.
No, you.
You are
Again, you're
what?
talking about yourself now.
Uno Rover.
Alright, guys. Oh, yeah, Sonic, do you want to tell them about what we're doing in August for the video? Because I don't think we did that.
I'm not
Okay,
gonna be
how
here
are we
We're
the
doing a Windows
16th
10
at all.
challenge with different
Yeah.
builds.
I'm not gonna be able to do the next one at all.
Which Sonic is going to be handling the next one. In fact, I think he was the one that thought of it. Alright, talk about it, Sonic.
Okay, it's a Windows 10 ISO challenge. We're gonna have like, hopefully RS5 would not bug out,
It
but
better not. I hope whoever gets RS5 doesn't have another issue again.
I think RS5 would have the same issue. So
Well,
I'm not.
I'll send you a new ISO, okay? I will send you a link to a newer build when time gets closer. so that it'll be newer and I will test the ISO first before I will download it myself, test it on a VM to make sure it 100% works before we give it out.
BW1 certified. AO1 certified.
Anyways, explain the challenge.
It's basically a Windows 10 ISO challenge.
From all builds.
Yes, of all builds, RTM, NU, which are
Julia's favorite.
No!
Julia's favorite.
They're her absolute
RTM,
favorite.
NU, AU, CU, FCU, RS4, RS5.
Her
That's all I
favorite is
want.
I can
RTM.
enjoy it on my phone.
I hope I
Yes, that's
don't
what
get
she started out with,
RTM or
and she
NU.
loved it back then.
I hope I don't get RTM or NU in the next challenge.
You have to
Everyone
dance.
pray for me. I don't
If
want
If
to
you
get
get
something
RTM
awful.
and you have to sing and dance at the same
I don't
time. You have
want
to
to do that. I don't
you
wanna
have to
sing.
record yourself dancing.
I don't want to sing about how it's good, so let's just
You have
hope.
to record about you singing and
Well,
dancing at the same time.
Let's just hope I don't get it, okay?
Well,
hang on,
now
let me give
shutting
Julia
down
her
my-
results.
There's a 2 in 7
out the
chance of
lyrics,
me getting
Julia.
RTM or NU. I want to get either CU or RS5. Hopefully I do, but we'll see.
Hopefully ours fine.
Hang on.
I get.
But anything else you want to say, Sonic? Before I stop the video?
Guys, let's all read what Julia loves about RTM. Hopefully I didn't misspell this, but there you go.
No!
RTM, this is what Julia says.
No, flip them.
RTM best, NU better, AU good, CU FCU bad, RS4 disgusting.
Blah.
No, RS4 is
RS4
best.
It
It's
is
bloated.
disgusting. You
Because
said
it's
it's
bloated.
disgusting.
Guys,
You said that RS4
flip
is
these,
you.
flip these. RS4 best, FCU
No,
better.
that's a lie.
FCU trash.
That is an
FCU
absolute lie.
good.
That's a really bad
I don't
lie.
know. I'm confused. Anyways, flip them, and that's what I think of the builds. But anyways, guys, anything else you want to say, Sonic, about your next challenge from, when is it, the 1st to the 8th?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna have 3 spectators, and it's all just gonna be a group. No,
I'm gonna
no
show
server.
the group right now. So this is the group. So we have Awesome Iron Man, B Studios, which is Brandon. This is Time, I think. Yeah, Dude Fox, me, Omega Shell, Sonic, Daniel, Titcha, TLP, and Tony. But the spectators are TLP, Tony, and wait a second. So, oh yeah, TLP, Tony, and Titcha. All the other people are doing the challenge. So, Awesome Iron Man, which is Tiny and Brandon, Dude Fox, me, Omega Shell, Sonic, and Daniel. We're the 3 doing, we're the 7 doing the challenge.
About to say 3.
Yeah, what am I saying? There's only 3 spectators and 7 people doing the challenge. We did a group because a group will be a little less chaotic. Because if we have too many spectators, it's going to be loud. We're going to probably do it earlier in the day as well, so everyone can be on at the same time during install. I will stream it, and we're all getting different builds. I just hope I get a good build. I want to get either CU or RS5 being honest.
We hope you get RTM and NU.
No, I better not get
Yes.
RTM or NU. Ew, no,
RTM
that's
and NU.
disgusting.
Rig it. Rig it,
RTM
No,
Sonic.
don't rig it. Don't rig it. Please
Rig
don't
it.
rig it. No.
Guys, what's that sound?
RTM.
Guys, what's that sound?
RTM.
No.
RTM and NU.
NU.
No.
AU.
Oh,
No.
really? What's that sound that I'm hearing?
What sound?
RTM.
No.
RTM.
Oh wait, what's that sound?
No
What's that
RTM. No RTM.
NU.
Like,
No NU.
oh my god.
Why do we do this to you? Why do you let us do this to
Why
you?
does
That's the better
everyone
question.
want me to get RTM?
Because
I have
you
clips
love
of
it.
you.
We
I made a
utilize your
playlist of.
beautiful
Hey,
singing
can I tell your
voice.
viewers this? I made a playlist of
You
Julia
need to
installing
utilize it.
NU.
Oh god.
Oh yeah,
Just-
Julia 1911.
You
No.
need to utilize that voice.
Our
You
team
never
and NU
utilized
is
it in a long
disgusting. And if
time.
I get either one, I have to sing about how it's good. That's gonna be so
You have to
bad.
utilize it. You've
Well,
not been
we just-
utilizing it for a while. Not
And
even
if
for
I
the AU
fail,
song.
I have to
Boy.
listen to terrible music.
And you have
Make-
to listen to
Put
all
death
of them.
metal.
And if you
Make
fail,
listen to
you
death
have to
metal.
use it for another
Should we
week.
tell them the terrible music?
Make them
Yes.
death metal. Make it death
Okay,
metal.
she has to listen to Rebecca Black Friday,
Some of these
Justin
songs might
Bieber
sound
Baby,
racist, so we
and Parsi
Oh,
and
no.
Bieber, which is
No, and Parsi and Bieber, baby.
oh yeah, true that. And she has to listen to Pon Pon Pon
And heavy metal.
well as
Yeah.
Deep Throat
Yeah.
by
No, what?
Cupcake.
Ew.
Let
No.
her
Yes,
make,
That's too much.
no, make her listen to death metal.
No.
No. How about make her listen to Mega Upload?
No.
What the heck is that?
should also not be
Mega.
forced to play a game.
There's a
What,
song
what game
called
should we
Mega
force her to
Upload.
play?
Just look up
Guys,
on YouTube Mega Upload song. It is so cringy.
I know what Julia should do.
What game should we force her to play?
What?
All these basics modded.
No.
Oh, force her to play that, and she has to record it as well. You have to record
That
it.
Simulator
I
2018.
make a deal. If I get RTM or NU, I will run all bends in the dark and record it, and you guys will see that video.
Oh,
Except
After that, you gotta sing and
it.
If I get RTM or NU, though. But if I don't, not doing it.
if you get NU and RTM, you have to do that or sing.
I
Her
really
choice.
hope I
Either
don't.
utilize that
get
singing
it.
voice
Her
or
looks
prove how
better
scared you
than
are of
me.
Ben 5.
I'm already
Her
gonna
look-
run the bends no matter what.
You have to run all of them, including Ben 6.
I will run every bend on my host and record it at like really
You have to run Ben
late
6.
at night. I will.
have to run Ben
I
6.
know. I said I will do that if I get
So
RTM
you're
or
gonna run
NU.
all the bends,
Okay.
bend 1 through 6?
Yes.
Place your bets. RTM,
Yes.
NU, or a crappy version.
If I get RTM or NU, I will. But if I don't, then not happening.
It will happen. It will happen no matter what. Your
No.
viewers will spam your comments.
Only if I
Everyone
get RTM
spam
or
her
NU.
comments.
Only if I get
Spam her
RTM or NU.
comments. Spam her comments. Spam
And
her
it's not gonna
comments.
happen. I'm not gonna get RTM or NU.
Spam-
You'll
guys.
see.
Guys, if you guys want her to have an older version,
I don't
spam
want
it.
an old version.
Spam the comments.
Don't give me
look,
an
and her luck will give her this.
I have like kind of bad luck, but lately in these past 2 challenges, I've had good luck because I got AU, which I know was unsupported, but it was still the action center was still on the right, and it felt newer even though it was older. Because AU and CU were very close to each other, so I mean it didn't look like RTM or NU. And then I got FCU, which is even better than AU, so my luck is going good. I feel like I'm gonna get RS5 next, being honest.
You don't want to jinx it.
I better not jinx it. Just watch.
I hope you jinx it.
Just
No,
watch.
no.
Yeah, don't
no,
jinx it.
no.
Don't jinx it.
Leave.
Leave what?
Oh,
Leave what?
Jack added me to a group again.
Jack!
he added my ult.
He added me back.
Jack!
Honestly,
Oh,
I got
UW1.
bad luck.
Leave that
Twice.
group. Leave that group now.
Hogan too. No,
I
I
just-
clicked leave.
Leave it.
I just
I-
did.
If he adds you back again, I'm gonna be like, really, Jack? Oh yeah. By the
There
way,
you can
guys,
block them.
I think you guys heard me earlier and heard us earlier. Jack was being super annoying. We had to get rid of him. He caused a lot of issues. We gave him multiple chances, and Jack thought, oh, I should be back. No, we gave you way too many chances, okay? More than I should have even gave in the first place. He added you back!
Jack,
Wait,
Nah.
who's leaving me? It's
Dude,
Jack
Fox.
adding me.
Dude Fox, put yourself on D&D if he's gonna keep doing that. How
Well,
many
this-
times? Okay, Guys,
Good,
if you
he's in
guys get
D&D.
annoyed by people, put yourself on D&D.
That's what I did earlier because
Even if you're offline, if it shows you offline, it's still gonna
the
ring.
thing I don't like though, the mobile app D&D doesn't work. You'll still get called.
Great, I'm on my iPad. That doesn't feel encouraging at all.
Just mute the iPad.
Yeah,
But
Mute it.
I mean for Android,
Kill
I
it.
don't know if iOS does it, but Android it still does it.
Android does it a lot. That's
But-
why you should always put it on
So
silent.
guys, doing a challenge August 1st to the 8th, Sonic's challenge, which Sonic needs to still mix up those ISOs and upload them to Mega and send them to us.
You mean mega
No,
upload?
please,
Oh,
no.
Mega. Okay, no.
Omega Shell, listen to that song, you're gonna cringe.
What?
Hold on,
The Mega upload song.
go ahead and play it on my iPad.
Wait, I'm recording, don't play it right now.
I'm trying to make my bed right now.
Damn it, Julia.
Anyways, everyone, let's just hope I get a good version and not anything disgusting, but I mean, we'll have to
Hope
find out
that's
on the
disgusting.
stream.
Get something disgusting. Get
No.
something
And
disgusting.
if you guys want me to make a trailer, let me know. I might make a mini trailer for the challenge. If you guys want
Sonic
me to,
or
leave a
Ricket?
comment and let me know if you want me to make a trailer for that mini week challenge, which I'm not going to record much during it. I mean, I'll record at times, but then at the end I'll record like a video overall what I thought of that OS. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
just hope I get something good, because if it's RTM or NU, I'm gonna be like, it was bad, it was bad, and it was bad.
But Julia, it was good.
It was bad.
I know a video of Julia upgrading to RTM. It's in a playlist.
I remember that video. I don't know what a TH1 is.
Oh god.
What the hell?
You know what else is bad?
You're crazy.
What?
FCU.
No!
Yes, FCU, ew. FCU equals ew.
No, it
I
doesn't.
know, right?
Yes, it
Screw
does.
RS4.
I'm on FCU. It's really not as bad as you think. In fact, it feels like I'm using RS4 even though it's FCU.
RS4 gay.
Oh
FCU
yeah.
bad.
Let's just install that update right now while I'm recording. Let's go install that patch that I forgot.
What?
To... Oh crap! There's two of them. Which one is it?
What? Which
There's-
one? What are you
There's
talking
two updates in here. There's two updates because I used Analog
Someone
installer
sent you a
before.
file.
Oh no!
Oh, good.
Oh no!
Wait, Julia, are you talking about your tablet?
No, I'm on my computer and I forgot which one the new KB is. Well, because this one
It's your
says
mom.
this one says 433, this one says 434, so I'm gonna go with 434.
Julia, the KB is your mom, okay?
No!
Julia, never update.
Updates are good. Stop.
Oh, yeah, they just waste your
Bad. Updates is bad.
It's not working. I gotta enable the update service. Darn it.
Updates are bad. Don't trust them. They lead to issues.
Ah.
Yes.
Windows updates are good.
Bad.
Good.
RTM
Bad.
is great.
Good. Okay, where's the
Say I if Windows updates are bad.
I.
Hey, they're
Aye.
not bad.
Aye.
Stop. You don't want to make the viewers get hacked because you told them
Everyone type in chat on YouTube, updates are bad,
No, stop. It's not funny anymore. It's not a joke to me anymore. It's really not funny.
But they're just updates.
Oh, wait. It says only one can run. It's because I forgot to
It's just
I
just
enabled
a
the
program.
service. I enabled the service.
ew.
Yes.
That's disgusting.
Do I want to install the update? Of course.
What are you doing?
Yes.
Stop ma-
Owned.
Copying packages to the Windows Update cache to the Windows Update.
I
Like,
know.
You.
Okay.
November
alright.
update is best.
no.
Hey TLP, if you're watching this, comment RTM or NU. Which one Julia should have?
Yes.
None of them.
Come on,
Yeah.
Come on.
TLP. We love
Don't
you.
give me RTM or NU, please. Actually mix them up. Don't rig it.
Rig it.
No. Actually mix them up. Please actually legitimately mix them up.
Hey, Sonic.
Julio loves RTM confirmed.
No, I don't.
Rig it,
RTM
rig
is
it.
disgusting.
Rig it.
No.
RTM is the best version ever.
Don't do that.
Please.
This video is gonna be over
Guys.
an hour.
Oh, it's actually.
How long is the video?
Well, this one's 30 minutes, but I already edited like 30 minutes, so it's more like an hour and a half or something, or an hour and 15 minutes. I'm sorry for this long video. It's because it's combining 2 days.
RTM.
No,
RTM.
RTM disgusting. RTM disgusting.
And you best.
Alright, well, I'm gonna let this install. I'm probably not gonna record any more today unless I want to record 2 videos for day 9. But anyways, thanks for watching. Anything else you guys would like to say?
RTM and NU are the best.
No, they're
Yes.
not. No, they're not. Don't listen to them. It's disgusting.
Do not uninstall your BIOS on Task Manager.
Oh yeah,
Not
don't
Task
do
Reinstall
that.
Manager, Device
computers.
Manager.
Reinstall computers
Yeah,
instead.
don't uninstall the firmware. It will legit corrupt your BIOS.
Why does Dell do that?
I don't know. Like, it should not let you modify that. Like, what if you got a virus and it did that? You know, your whole computer could be
Any
corrupt.
manufacturers actually put that there. I think
Your
Yeah.
viruses can do that and corrupt your entire thing. That's unsafe that they let you do that in Windows.
I know what my new nickname
They
is.
need better protection against that. And
Julia, my new nickname.
What is
Omega
it?
Shell 12 loves to corrupt BIOSes.
You don't love to corrupt, you just happen to corrupt them.
Corrupted too. Obviously, something's wrong.
Well, take some notes, manufacturers. Do not let people uninstall their firmware.
Let
Well,
people
it's more of Microsoft's fault.
And Microsoft, don't allow them to uninstall their firmware. Make an update
Yeah,
come out where they
please.
can't do that. Please.
Yeah.
Wait, why is there a group called My Ass?
Hey, I see that. What the crap? Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I will record either later today or tomorrow. I don't know. I'm installing this update and I'll reboot when it's done. And I'll be on the newest dot number. So, bye-bye, guys. Say bye.
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 Bye.